Hello everyone. Start off by taking two sections of the hair and then tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, then make two divisions out of the bottom portion of the hair that is left over. Make two braids out of this and then roll each of these braids into the top section that you have created. Join the excess amount of hair that is left out at the bottom as such, tie a rubber band to it, and then taking this portion of it, insert it upwards. You may use a bobby pin in order to make it stay in its place, then add decorative pins at the top. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself. Make two sections of the hair at the base. Afterwards, taking one of the sections of the hair, tie a rubber band to the middle section of it, roll it in on itself, and then bring it through the top right section. Now, on the top right section, take the rest of the hair, join it all together, and then begin to braid the hair. Loosen the sides of the hair using your fingers as such, and then tie a rubber band to it. Once you roll it over, fasten it in place using a bobby pin as such. Now, add decorative pins on either side. Next, we will start off by tying the hair, taking two sections of the hair, tying it at the back. Roll the section of the hair in on itself, and then join it to the larger section at the bottom. Tie a low ponytail out of the hair. Now divide the hair into two portions. Now begin to make a reverse fishtail braid out of the hair as such. Once you have done so, this is what it should begin to look like, and this is how it should be done. That is, divide the hair into two parts, and then take small sections from either side of it, and make it interchange at the back side of the braid. Now, after you have joined it, continue to do so until you reach the bottom. Tie a rubber band once you reach the bottom, and this is what it should look like. Roll it over and the braid portion of it should be visible. Use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to fasten it in place and then adjust the hair as you need it to be adjusted. This will be the final look. Next, we will start off by tying a high ponytail out of the hair. Afterwards, comb it into place, use a bun stick in order to wrap the hair around it, roll it up into a bun, and then adjust the hair around it accordingly. Now, in order to do so, add a rubber band around it as well. Once you have added a rubber band around this hair, you may also use a decorative pin if you've decided to use a multiple prong decorative pin for this. Next, start off by tying a low ponytail, make a braid out of this low ponytail, and then wrap it up into a bun as such. After you have done so, use a two-pronged pin in order to fasten it in its place, or a three-pronged pin. Now, once you have fastened it in its place, loosen the sides, adjust the hair, and then at the top of it all, you may use a decorative pin or a clip in order to make it look all the more better. Next, we will start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself, and now divide the hair into two portions at the base. Taking the right side section of the hair, tie a rubber band to it, make it into a ponytail, and then bring it through the top left section. Now, tie a rubber band to the other section as well. Once you have done this, comb the hair into place. Afterwards, pull it out through the right top section of the hair. Insert it into place as such. Once you have done so, you may fasten it in place using a bobby pin as we have done. After you have adjusted it, you may use a multiple prong decorative pin in order to do so. Next, we will start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Comb the hair into place as such and then use a multiple prong pin in order to do so. Now let the remaining portion of the hair down. Tie a rubber band around it as such. Once you have added a rubber band around the bottom of the hair, roll it up into a bun and then fasten it in place using this multiple prong decorative pin. Push it up from bottom upwards as such and then adjust the hair around it accordingly. Thank you for watching.